सत श्री अकाल एनयू मैनू शिवम शांडल कहते हैं जड़ी ड्रेस बड़ी पाई सीगी इन्हां पंजाबी पठानी कहनी है। धन्यवाद, फिर मिले आसी।
Very good evening to you. This is Apurva Garg here. Today I am wearing lancha. It is the most auspicious dress from Rajasthan and North India. Ladies used to wear in the occasions like Mehndi, Haldi and wedding, etc. and many more. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shojo, and when we speak about Asian lands, it's basically how the world looks at the Asian culture. So what I'm wearing today is Sherwani, and I think someone's getting why I'm calling this an Asian dress, because not most of us know that Sherwani first originated in Southeast of Asia, and then the Mughals, with them they brought Sherwani into our culture, into India, and the prevalence of Sherwani in India got a rise when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, during his speeches in undivided Punjab, started wearing Sherwanis to address people, and nowadays Sherwani is more of a bridal wear which is spread from North India to the entire of country, from Hyderabad to Calcutta, North Delhi, and now it's basically a dress which is originated in Asia, a part of Asia, has now spread everywhere. So Sherwani is basically a part of Asian lens because it's from Japan to Southeast Asia to India and now spreading everywhere. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. This is Jian Shah, and what I'm wearing is called an anarkali, and this basically consists of a long kurta and bottoms, which is usually in the form of a churidar. And the dress gets its name from Anarkali, who was a famous goldsmith from the court of Muhammad Jalaluddin Akbar. And she was very beautiful, and her costume became very famous all over India and in the tradition of Muslims. Thank you.
Very good morning good evening to one and all present here. I'm wearing a traditional Bengali sari. Girls wear them during the wedding time. I have learned a few lines in Bengali to just support my dress, so I'm just going to read them. Namaskar, Ami Akriti. Eta